So from your experience, what will actually make AI in sales work? Because I think the audience also needs to know the practicalities of what will make it work, how will it work, and the fact that it's a journey, it's not a magic wand or a silver bullet to solve all problems.
I think the last thing that you said is most important. Because the technology is new, the experience of the customer is almost zero. So they are not sure how to take first few steps. Now, when they are not sure how to take first few steps, there are two things which happens. There are two kinds of decision makers or two kinds of leaders. First, they are sure that there is something which is emerging and I need to be a leader in that. So it doesn't matter. Let me figure out, take few steps. There's other set of people who would want to do something, but eventually the problem that they struggle with is, unless they are very sure as to what's going to be the outcome, they don't take the first step. Now, which actually in a technology like AI, I think there has to be a mid-ground between that. So, for example, coming back to sales, any sales organization which has, let's say, more than 30 to 50 people at this point in time, most of them have some kind of automation already. Now, the first few steps could be as simple as, if you have 40, 50 people, if you have any kind of data, at least you can use an AI tool which will allow people to communicate using at least a chatbot, NLP, get data on the fly, don't look at the report, create some kind of insights which helps them on a daily basis, rather than they figuring out through various dashboards and clicking here and there and downloading mails. Now, this is something, actually, if you ask a frontline sales guy, has his struggle been reduced because of technology? Maybe 50, 40%, but still he's the recipient of all the everyday chore that he's supposed to do. Now, what AI can do, and at this stage also of immaturity, is to solve his problem of getting what he is want to know about his sales, about his data, about what will help him on a daily basis, about some training feed that wants to have, about how to fix this, about can I quickly know how to upsell, or if I'm a new guy joining a company, can I know a little more about this product feature? Can I know a little more about how to handle a difficult customer, so to say, in a B2B environment? Now, all of this data, information, content in some form or other we already have for any decent size organization. Now, can we collaborate with any company who has the capability to put it all together and give at least this basic stuff to people? Now, if you take a first step as basic as this, or any company which takes first step as basic as this, will be the company who will be evolving towards far greater and far more magical solutions over a period of time. So that's where I think it can really, so, a magical solution will not happen on day one. It will happen with first few steps taking forward, and for certainly AI is going to create a magic in sales.